Question number 11. Okay. A wave is traveling on a string. The graph shows the variation displacement of the string with distance and variation of the displacement of the string with time. Okay. So this is displacement, distance, displacement, time. Okay. Now what is he asking here? What is the speed of the wave? Okay. So speed of the wave. What is speed of the wave given by v is equal to f into lambda? Okay. Now what is given here? Distance. See, what is the distance between this crest and this crest over here? This is nothing but 4 centimeter. Okay. So therefore this is 4 centimeter. What is this called as? This is lambda. Lambda is equal to 4 centimeter. If I know the frequency, I can easily do the problem now. Now what is the frequency? I cannot get the frequency. I get the time here. So here, starting from here to here, it is 2 seconds. 2 seconds over here. So what do? I can find out. I can now write v is equal to lambda divided by time period, right? Which should be 4 centimeter divided by 2 seconds, which should be 2 centimeter per second. So thus the correct answer should be 2 centimeter per second, which is option B.